If your WhatsApp photos are not showing up on your Android phone's gallery, don't worry. Here is how to fix it. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap on Chats and make sure Media Visibility is turned on. The settings allows new photos and videos to appear in your gallery. Next, open your phone's file manager. Go to Internal Storage, Android, then Media, then com.whatsapp, then WhatsApp, then again Media, and WhatsApp Images. And check if there is a file named .no media in that folder. If it's there, delete it. This file hides media from the gallery. .media, .no media is a hidden file in Android. If you don't see the file there, open the File Manager app again from scratch, tap the three-dot menu, tap Settings, and enable Show Hidden Files, and do the process again. After that, restart your phone and check the gallery again. Also, ensure WhatsApp has storage permission by going to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list. Then Permissions and enabling storage access. If nothing works, download manually. After loading the image, tap three dots and tap on Save. And that's it. Your WhatsApp images should now show up in the gallery. If this solved your problem, hit the like button, share it with someone facing the same issue, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes.